Ladies and gentlemen, gather around for a journey beyond your wildest dreams. Today, we're not talking about your average home sweet home. We're diving into the mind-bending universe of Multiverse Living. That's right, forget home ownership. We're talking about owning your very own multiverse. Now, you might be thinking, hey, that's a bit far-fetched, isn't it? Well, strap in, folks, because we're not in Kansas anymore. We're in the 23rd century where Star Trek-like holodecks and particle replicators are the only things you need. Move over, mortgages. We're making dreams in warp speed. Imagine this. Instead of mowing your lawn or fixing the leaky faucet, you're chilling on your own personal beach in the Caribbean in January. That's the magic of the holodeck, my friends. You want mountains? You got mountains. You want a pet dragon? You got a pet dragon. It's like your childhood fantasies on steroids. But that's not all. We've got particle replicators. You hungry for a gourmet meal from the finest restaurant on Neptune? Just ask your friendly replicator and voila, it's dinner time in the cosmos. No more grocery shopping or debating over pizza toppings. The only debate you'll have is whether to eat on a moonlit terrace on Mars or the rings of Saturn. And the best part? No more real estate agents, no more bidding wars, no more I need to talk to my manager nonsense. Your dream home is just a holodeck session away. Your dream car? Replicate it. Your dream pet unicorn? Well, maybe in the multiverse it's a thing. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I join this interdimensional party? Well, fear not, because we've got a Patreon channel. Support us, and you'll get access to exclusive content like Multiverse Cribs, where we tour the coolest holographic habitats in the galaxy. Trust me, you want a front row seat to that show. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. We've got more mind-bending content coming your way, from quantum stand-up comedy to interviews with holographic celebrities. You won't want to miss it, because in the multiverse, FOMO takes on a whole new meaning. So my fellow cosmic adventurers, let's make homeownership a thing of the past and embrace the multiverse. Subscribe, hit that bell for quantum notifications, and join us on Patreon for a VIP pass to the holographic party of the century. Until next time, keep laughing, keep replicating, and may the force be with your multiverse.